Welcome to this video on how to sit for meditation. If you're new to meditation or looking to improve your practice, one important aspect to consider is your sitting posture. In this video, we'll explore some tips for how to sit comfortably and effectively, and why you might want to use a meditation cushion. Are you struggling to find comfort in your meditation practice? Do you find yourself distracted by numbness and pain when sitting on the floor? You're not alone. Many people experience discomfort in their meditation posture, causing them to give up on their practice altogether. But fear not. In this video, we'll provide you with tips to help you sit more comfortably, so you can focus on your meditation without distraction. By finding a posture that works for you, you can unlock the full potential of your practice and achieve a deeper sense of peace and relaxation. So, let's get started and find the perfect position for your meditation practice. Your mind and body will thank you. How to sit for meditation. The first step to sitting for meditation is to find a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be disturbed. You can sit on the floor, on a chair, or on a meditation cushion. Here are some tips for each option. Floor. If you choose to sit on the floor, it's important to find a posture that is both stable and relaxed. One common posture is the cross-legged position, with the hips elevated above the knees. You can use a cushion or folded blanket under your hips to help achieve this alignment. You can also try different leg positions, such as the full lotus, half lotus, or Burmese positions. Full lotus. The full lotus is a cross-legged position where both feet are placed on the opposite thighs. This posture requires a high degree of flexibility in the hips, knees, and ankles, and is often considered the most stable and advanced sitting position for meditation. Half lotus. The half lotus is a cross-legged position where one foot is placed on the opposite thigh, and the other foot is tucked under the opposite knee. This posture is a variation of the full lotus that is easier for many people to achieve, but still requires some flexibility and stability. Burmese. The Burmese position is a cross-legged position where both feet are on the floor, with the ankles crossed in front of each other. This posture is often recommended for beginners or those with limited flexibility, as it provides good stability and support. The key to any seated meditation posture is to find a comfortable and stable position that allows you to maintain an upright spine and relaxed focus. Experiment with different positions to find what works best for you, and don't be discouraged if it takes time to build up flexibility and strength. Sitting on a chair for meditation can be a good option for those who find it difficult to sit on the floor, or who have physical limitations that make cross-legged postures uncomfortable. When choosing a chair, look for one with a straight back that allows you to maintain an upright posture. Avoid chairs with armrests, as they can interfere with proper alignment. When sitting in a chair for meditation, it's important to keep your feet flat on the ground, with your knees at a right angle. This helps to maintain stability and balance, and prevents your feet from falling asleep. You can place your hands on your knees or in your lap, whichever is most comfortable for you. To ensure optimal alignment, make sure that your hips are slightly higher than your knees. This can be achieved by placing a cushion or folded blanket on the chair seat, if necessary. It's also important to avoid leaning back into the chair, or relying on the backrest for support. Instead, sit towards the front edge of the chair, using your core muscles to maintain an upright posture. With these tips in mind, you can create a comfortable and stable seated meditation practice, whether on the floor or in a chair. Remember that the most important thing is to find a posture that allows you to focus your attention inward, and cultivate a sense of calm and presence. Why use a meditation cushion? A meditation cushion, also called a zafu, can help provide comfort and support for a seated meditation practice. You can adjust the height of the cushion to find the most comfortable position for you. Using a meditation cushion can provide several benefits for your seated meditation practice. Here are some reasons why you might want to consider using a cushion. Comfort. A cushion can provide a comfortable and supportive surface for sitting, especially if you have tight hips or knees that make it difficult to sit on the floor. Alignment. A cushion can help elevate your hips and keep your spine straight, which can help reduce back pain and improve your posture. Focus. Using a cushion can also help create a dedicated meditation space, separate from your daily activities. This can help create a sense of focus and intention for your practice. Thank you for watching this video on how to sit for meditation and the benefits of using a meditation cushion. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to meditation posture, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. Whether you sit on the floor, on a chair, or on a cushion, the most important thing is to cultivate a regular meditation practice that supports your overall well-being.